Today we're gonna do vanilla cinnamon cookie ice cream. All you need is 500 milliliters of heavy cream, 400 milliliters of sweetened condensed milk, a few pieces of cookies. I would recommend to choose cinnamon cookies, 2 vanilla beans, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. At first you take the vanilla out of the vanilla beans, put the vanilla in a bowl aside, then take the cookies and blend them until big pieces disappear, and put the powdered cookies aside as well. Then make the basic ice cream, where you will put 500 milliliters of heavy cream into a big bowl and mix it until it's stiff. Then add the sweetened condensed milk, mix it again, add the powdered cookies, the vanilla, and the cinnamon. Mix it one more time and your ice cream will be ready to be filled in a box to freeze it. The next day you can enjoy your homemade ice cream. If you want to know how to do other flavors of ice creams, click here.